Welcome to the Indiana Design Center, Central Indiana's one-stop shop for remodeling, redecorating, and designing your home. The center is full of over 15 showrooms with a wide variety of resources for the homeowner to do everything that they need to put together their home. Everything from tile to mattresses to art to furnishings and fabrics and drapery.
I'm here today at the Indiana Design Center looking for ideas mainly. I built my home about 4 years ago and was here at that time looking for jacuzzis to go in my bathroom, and I love coming here and getting ideas. Right now I'm working on my basement, redesigning that. So I'm just here enjoying the day and seeing what the center has to offer for everyone.
As a designer myself, it's a place of great convenience where I can spend the afternoon with a client and we can do things for the inside of their house as well as the outside. It checks all the boxes to make sure that a project is successful and that the time we spend is productive. So visit our website to learn more about our over 15 showrooms and browse the portfolios of 20 designers for inspiration.